get away to the city of springs. Come and let's take a trek to the towering mountain. City of smiles, where history's a pride. City where culture is splendidly bright. Welcome to the beautiful city of Iriga. Come and visit the beautiful city of Iriga. Dagos po kamo sa syudad nin Iriga. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city of Iriga. Come and feel the festive and vibrant fiestas. Come and walk along the friendly city streets. Enjoy and taste the native and authentic cuisine. Capture more beautiful moments with natural scenes. Welcome to the beautiful city of Iriga.
Iriga!